guys, welcome to Vlogmas day number 2. I said yesterday I was making cookies, so that's what I'm doing today. I am making Italian Christmas cookies. Seems like an easy enough recipe to do. I have to make 6 dozen for a cookie swap tomorrow evening. And since tomorrow's Friday and I have to work on Friday, I figured I'm going to do them tonight. At least they'll be done, and if anything were to go wrong tonight, I can always redo them. Because things can happen. So, I'm going to get all the ingredients here ready, and let's get baking. Alright, I am making a double batch of this. So, if it seems like a lot, because it is. But I do need 8 cups of flour. Sugar. Just realized I'm not sure how much you guys saw, but basically I put 8 cups of flour in there, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So now I made a little well inside there. I'm gonna add some wet ingredients, like a cup of milk. Cup and a half of vegetable oil. I have a cup and a half here, but we'll see. Exactly a cup and a half. That in there. And then I'm going to add almond extract. Brush out the pack here. Is to mix her all up.
One eternity later.
Well, after mixing all of this up and get my cardio in, we are going to roll the cookies out. So let's roll out the cookies. you enjoyed this little Vlogmas day number 2. Catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.